Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I like to mail. Know what I got, know what I want. Hey, what's up, besties? Today we're gonna get into something new, and I am so excited about this. This is the Moxie Life Planner. I was just introduced to this company by Darian. If you guys haven't seen her channel, go check her out. I absolutely love her. Super sweet spirit. She just reminds me so much of like some of the people I went to school with. She's like way younger than me, but I hope that I can be like somebody she can love on and all that, because she's just so sweet and her energy is so everything. So yeah, she's bringing back the youthfulness into my life. No, I'm just playing, but no, seriously, go check out her planner channel. This whole situation that's been going on here lately with everything has just opened me up to some brand new people that I was never exposed to before. So I'm really excited about everything. So thank you so much, Darian, for introducing me to this company. All right, so I'm trying to open this as best as I can, y'all. I took my scissors over here. Y'all know how I feel about these scissors, because I want to open it up. I should have had this opened up beforehand. Let me open this and I come right back. Ta-da! Okay, so I got a card. Yes to the card. Thank you so much, Sierra. She was super sweet. So I did like a little bit of research behind and found out that she is actually a part of the planner community. So for me, I love when people who are a part of the planner community make things for the planner community, because it just means they have a little bit more, they're like more in touch with everything that's going on. I don't know, maybe this is just me. Y'all can call me crazy, but I think it's cool. Good things are coming. This is so cute. Thanks for reaching out. Excited to see what you do with your pages. Let me know if I can do anything else. Thank you so much, Sierra. I love personal notes. Y'all know how I feel about that. So I'm already impressed. Okay, here go these little things. Lord help me, because y'all know I get these all over everywhere. So let me just kind of search down below. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. Ooh, I see some stickers. See what I'm saying? Like, I already got this all on the side of the thing. Okay, so hold on, let's get all of this stuff out of here, because y'all gonna see a desk full of shrivies. What are these called? Shrivies? I'm gonna call them shrivies. Is that what they called? Okay, let me also do this. Let me bring us down some more so you guys can get a better view. All right, so I think I got you where I want to have you guys right now. Let's go ahead. Now there's two of them. I did not know there was going to be two, or maybe she did say that. Y'all know I have a lot going on, so we shall see. Let's see. See, shrivies. We got shrivies over here. Okay, so let's open up this one. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen this Moxie Life from several other planners. I believe Julie's Plans and Lakin also have videos of that I was trying to watch and get acquainted with the shop in general. So let's see. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Let me put some Moxie in it. Okay, this is cute. Okay, and it's thick. Okay, so this is goal setting plus a weekly planner. That's what it says on there. It has the band on here, so I like that. I like that. I like that, girl. Bring that back. Okay. So, oh, I love this. She has in here. So she's a life coach, founder and creative director of Moxie Life. That's what Sierra is. I just love this so much already. I think because getting a chance to kind of like research and knowing that they're a part of the community just really makes me really happy. So there are tons of things. So the first part is the goal setting here, getting started, and it has some tips. A compass assessment, setting intentions, annual goals, monthly reflections, and then you have a compass assessment, a life compass. Child, she ready, hey, she ready. She is ready to get y'all together. This planner is ready to get me together. Setting goals, you have ways that you can set your goals and things like that. Monthly goals and weekly actions, and then you go into your annual goals. Oh, I'm so here for this. Okay. And then you have a vision board over here. I love that. let's see. Then it goes into the months. So let's see how the months are set up. So this is what the months look like here. You have it's a Sunday start, so we know that. And then the little dots, I think that's cute. That's so different. You can see the dots there. Let me see if I can. Now I got to move y'all back up so that y'all can see. See, we're gonna get it together, y'all. I promise. Okay. Whew. Okay, there we go. All right, we're gonna get it together. Give me just a moment. All right, so this is the monthly section over here. So you have the little dots, which I think is really good and definitely on trend to like being different on there. And I like that too because I like planners that I could put stickers in, but I also like planners that I don't have to put stickers in. In any event, I decide I don't want to be a sticker girl. Okay, I don't know if that would ever happen, but in my head, that's how I think. Okay, then you have your monthly goals over here. You have personal, fun, work, family, health, spiritual, financial, physical. Yes, and a quote up there. And then you have notes and reflections. Then you have weekly actions. So all of these over here, like all of your goals, she has them color coded, and so you can follow them over here. You better come. This is a real planner, okay? Not like the planners for like this is a real planner person because she done already color coded it for you. You ain't got to worry, okay? You ain't got to worry. I'm so here for that. Okay, so this one is the horizontal version. So this is what the weeks look like in here. You have the Monday start with a Sunday finish, and then down here at the bottom you have your notes and habits, and you have your habit tracker. So you can track several different habits. I like that is already on there. Don't have to worry about a sticker. That makes me happy because sometimes I don't have enough habit stickers, and I have more habits than I have stickers, and then it's a whole thing, and then now I'm rambling about how many habits I have. Okay, y'all, anyway, so then you get a notes and reflections page. So then you go back to your weekly actions, so your tasks, basically what you want to do, like your weekly overview, and then your daily. So I like this layout a whole lot. It is kind of chunky, so I would think that this one will probably one I keep on my desk and just kind of use here in like within my desk area. But oh, did I miss that at the back? Oh, you have a monthly reflections. So it says my biggest wins this month were things that are currently working in my life, things that are currently not working in my life, what I learned this month, what improvements or adjustments do I need to make going into next month, and what am I most grateful for right now, habits I want to nurture next month. And then you have rate your overall satisfaction with this month. Now if you guys have my budget planner, you know I am obsessed with having like a monthly reflection page for you to just kind of just take a moment and see things that worked and what didn't work. So before you go into that next month, you can kind of see what you want to do, some goals you want to accomplish, things that didn't work last month. And I really love when planners have this as a part of their grand scheme of things. So monthly reflections are big for me. So let's go to the back because we already seen everything else. So then we have our extras. So we have a full calendar for 2020, another calendar for 2021, which okay, we here for that because yeah, we kind of over 2020 at this point. And we are shooting for better in 2021. And then we have some notes pages. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 back-to-back pages, and so that would be 14 pages of notes. And then you also have a pocket back here, so that's cool. Pocket, and then oh, you better come through with the pocket in the back. Oh, it's a pocket in the back, so you can put stuff back here, like you can put receipts or maybe some stickers you just want to carry around. For me, I'm gonna stick my little note card back here that she gave me because I can always keep that with me. I love it. And then it just closes like this. Now let me tell you guys some real tea, like true tea on the tin. True tea. I have not been a big fan prior to of this particular coil. So let me move the coil around. I am not good at this coil bound thing like this, and that's why. So like even when I was in school, I struggled with coil bound things like that. So that's gonna take some getting used to, but other than that, y'all, the paper feels amazing. All right, so let's go into this other one here. Oh, I forgot about the stickers that she sent as well. So these stickers match up with the highlighting that she did in there. So like your color coding system. So you have color coding systems for everything, and you have these little icons and stuff on here that you can use. I am loving it. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Okay, so here is the other one. So this is gonna be the vertical. See, if I would have just read the back of the paper, right, instead of getting so excited and then ripping stuff off, I would have known that that one was the horizontal. So here's the vertical. I want to show you guys both so you guys can see there are options. And yeah, okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. And I'm loving this box too. I don't know about y'all, but I like this box as well. All right, so this one has yellow. Okay. Put a little spice in your life with the yellow. And it still has the gray band on there. So let's open this up. All right. And the same thing, the Moxie Life front page. And then it looks like it's gonna have all of the same elements of the horizontal. So, you know, we kind of expect that anyway. You know what I'm saying? We expect that. So let's go and see what it looks like inside for the weekly. Okay. Now, I was like, I kind of like the horizontal, but y'all know I'm a good vertical girl. I want to do it. Okay. All right. So you have your Monday through Sunday dates right there, right? And then you just have lines. I hope y'all can see this very well because it's just lines on here. I'm so here for this because they're long boxes, but you have the options to kind of write wherever you want to. You don't feel restricted by boxes. I like it. And then down at the bottom, it kind of has like this gray area down here, shaded in type thing, so like it stands out a little bit more, and it has a little heart at the end of here. And you know, why was I finna, like, maybe I need to put my heart rate, but that's probably not what she was saying. It's probably just for decoration, but I like it. I like it as well. So anybody may, you know, maybe you need to put, you know, your heart rate. I don't know, y'all. Anyway, and then you have your habits over here. So instead of the like habits and then the boxes, you have individual habits that you can write down. And I like that as well. I told you guys, okay, we've already talked about that, my habits. If you guys haven't already watched some of my other Play With Me videos, if you're liking this, make sure you go back and watch some of those because, yeah. And if you haven't subscribed already, why not? Why haven't you subscribed? I don't understand. I don't understand why you haven't subscribed yet. It's the whole thing. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. Okay. And then on the back you do get notes and reflections, and then just the weekly actions. So everything is pretty much the same in both of the planners. It's just the weekly layout that changes. So you can choose from this vertical layout, or it would have been handy if I would have just kept this open, wouldn't it? See, that's why, you know what, some people were not meant to be Vanna White. You know, Vanna White's job is quite impressive. So here are the, ooh, see, I'm playing with my camera too at the same time. Okay, so this is the horizontal and this is the vertical, so you guys can see how that looks there with each other. So you have options to choose from, and I really like that. So let's go to the back and see, make sure we got all the same stuff. Oh, did I miss this back here? This is, maybe this is in the other one too. So you still get your monthly reflection, then you have your quarterly compass back here, so it's telling you like where you are with everything, and then your calendars, and then your notes pages, and then you have your folder, and then I said pockets, but this is a folder, and this is the pocket. This is the surprise pocket in the back. All right, I absolutely cannot wait to get started with planning in here. I think it's gonna be really fun, and again, I'm really excited about using a planner from someone who's in the planner community. And let me see if it's gonna fit inside of my Notique. One sec. Okay, you guys know how obsessed I am with my Notique here, so I want to make sure that it's gonna fit inside my girl, okay, because we love her, and it looks like it's gonna fit. Let's see. I have to take this off of here. Oh, but then my little pocket, my Polly pocket back there, that's all right. You can do, oh, I can still see it and put the stuff back there. It can still hide. Okay, all right, let me focus on me. Okay, it's a little, let me see. I'm gonna have to play with it some more, I think, but it fits. It's just like the cover over here doesn't want to bend the, like, right, but it fits in there. Just has a little bit of leakage over to the side. Now would I care? Probably not, because I just like my planner being protected and being cute inside a cover, honey. This is probably like the closest I've gotten to having something fit inside of a cover to make my planner look all cute and stuff. I'm here for this, y'all. I'm so here for this. And if I wanted to, I may just like take, no, because I like the little pocket. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, we gonna leave it here. This is where we at. We good over here. We good with this. Okay, that's where we at. We gonna leave it there. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this Moxie Life review or unboxing of the planner. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I will definitely have a link to all of this stuff down below, and there is an affiliate link. Again, I don't like, what is it? What are we supposed to say? With affiliate links, these are still my opinions. I do make a little bit of coin off of it. It doesn't hurt you to use the affiliate code, but it just lets them know that people are shopping because you guys saw the video with me and they're like, thank you. Like that's all it is. It's just a circle, the circle of life. Okay, sorry. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!